Hi Shah, I'm a student applicant. Can I pay rent up front if I don't have a guarantor?
So under the new Renters' Right Act, landlords cannot legally accept rent up front anymore. So if you're a student and you want to pass referencing, you would need to provide a UK-based guarantor who meets the earning requirements of 36 times your share of the monthly rent, or you would need to use a guarantor service such as Rent Guarantor who can assist you with your application.
Thank you. Hi Rach, how do I legally regain possession of my property now that Section 21 notices are no longer?
So the main thing that you need to do is identify the ground for possession. You're able to serve notice if you are selling. You just have to understand the sort of terminology of the ground. So for instance, if you wish to sell, you need to make sure your tenants have been allowed 12 months in their property before you can serve notice. Once you have understood the ground that you're wishing to serve notice on, you then need to serve the Section 8 notice along with the correct notice period, and then you are able to regain possession.
Thanks Rach. Hi James, I have a student property. With the new legislation changes, how can I relet it to students of the next academic year?
Within the new legislation, they have given us a new ground so we can serve notice to student tenants in order to be able to relet to new tenants the following year.
Thank you. Hi Ella, I'm a landlord. Can I legally refuse pets in my property anymore?
No, so under the new legislation, landlords can no longer refuse pets unless there is a clause stating otherwise in the lease or under medical grounds.
Thank you. Hi Caroline, I'm a tenant. Can I serve notice?
Hi Emerald, that would depend on the type of contract that you've signed. Obviously with the new legislation changes, all assured short hold tenancies are now periodic and on a joint and severally basis with our agency, which means technically one tenant can serve notice for the whole group and a checkout would be booked.
Thank you. Hi Lorna, I'm an applicant. Can I now be referenced on my savings?
Hi Emerald, yes you can. Our referencing agency require a bank statement dated within the last 30 days to accept savings.
Thank you. Hi Will, why have the government made these changes?
It's a very good question, Emerald, and a question that a lot of people are asking at the moment. I believe the reason why the government have done this is to try and make the private rented sector fairer for tenants. Whether you agree with the changes is another thing, but yes, they are trying to make it fairer for tenants in the long run.
Thank you.